St. Mary's Higher Secondary School Rangblang Southwest Khasil District hak advokandai trip uleber araja ar pulai kaliyo ban pyrda ya ka annual sports meet araja ar pulai hamadan yelekai jong hi ke school hak ba uba commander Rangblang president jong hills farmers union ula longkum ukongsan hakani ke sengi shua ban sedang ya ki jinge lekai baper layo ban penlong ya ke jinge lang balengkon bat ke jing penher ya ke lama jong ke school da uba commander Rangblang shosho ru layo ban pensengau ya ke jing rawai jong ke school ne ke school anthem na ke yang rasong St. Mary's Rangblang bat but da ke march pass ha ke baki kena school na ke jong ki kenhun kilawan ban ni shimbenta bat ke jing bam smai balai lam da ke emi air bahun yau pniau rengkat bat ki wepat ki kena Hakaju kapor layo ru ya ka jingkren na ukongsan uba commander but kumju na Reverend Father A. Rongrin parish priest jong ka Rangblang parish kibla aimen same ya ki kena school bakinlong ki betre jitam but bo ya ka thong ha ka jingim khnang bakinlong ki job but bakalawi jong ki kanlong ka bapernai Hakani ke sengi laidon lang ru ka headmistress jong ka school ka kong Maria Swer kinong hikai bat kumju ki kimi ki pa ki balwan ban sakhi yakani ka tamasa ya lekai bashi sen chisnem jong ki khina school
we will crowd on jong ka sports Usain Bolt day nakali Jamaica mo uday priu uba step tam ha ka chi marathon uga job laisin na olympic au arja kan ar ba au arja kan priu te udi sportsman balong bala job bala yo ya ka gold medalist laisin na Olympic uang ba shua ba lek cha Olympic man kasni ha ka jingim jugu don kam ban practice lakum no khandai 4 minute andai iban job ha ka sports ne ha ka no ka tournament mo te don kam ka practice kan practice mo don kam practice te na kota ju phi kan pep kim cham la yo por ban practice ta ba don ka pring ju phi ki bala practice hi te pelawan pada si petalang hakade ka annual sports day mo te kiba la practice hakade kita yo product te pep mo kita wana di job dari itu bang practice te pep kiba piloti ba kita yo kata di job te lelai tambah sebenat pate ba pelawan si petalang abaro pai mo abaro pai match pass sebenat ba pelawan si petalang Oi, andai wat ong ba, ngala match ba muta kasi tip top mo, kiba pe tip hi kuno ba pila mo, pila le ako por match pass mo, tinang don kam, sibun ban practice, kanang makanong janay, kanang ban kanong perfect, I play I wish you all the best for this annual sports day. Thank you.
Different classes, but all of you should have your aim in life. Sport activities, yes, is one which can help build your physical fitness, and of course, if you do well in sport, who knows? It might be an opportunity. It might be a living for you. And yes, it is. We have seen sports person, like even from our own area, Paul Linger, Bining, even our farmer, Kongkumay, she is the one who even in her old age, she can still compete in a race, and she is number one. We should be proud of. The name which I have just mentioned, They are all from Southwest Khasil district. And among you students, I know there will be some of you who will reach the state, national, and maybe international level one day. But you have to make use of your talent. You have to make use of what really inspired you to be. You know very well among you, you know what talent do you have. In any of that, just be focused. And yes, as student, you should have your aim in life.